Altech's UL and VEA series DIN rail mount miniature circuit breakers offer superior protection against overcurrent and short circuits. They are also ideal for a wide range of applications in both residential and industrial settings and serve as an efficient upgrade to outdated rewireable fuses. Their DIN rail mount miniature circuit breakers are designed for space efficiency and are easy to install and operate, ensuring seamless integration into any electrical system without compromising on safety and reliability. Want to learn more about these miniature circuit breakers? Check out our product overview and how-to videos on the UL and VEA series from Altech on Galco TV. And you can shop these products, available for same-day worldwide shipping, at galco.com.